Open Design Shortcuts with keyboard shortcut S and search for Component. Give your component a good name and make sure that you activate it. Working with components is considered best practice and is a great way to organize your digital assets. Create a new sketch on a vertical construction plane. Fusion 360 will adjust your view. Activate the circle commando with keyboard shortcut C. Type a diameter and press enter. You jump straight from sketch to the extrude commando when you press keyboard shortcut E. Type a length and press enter to finish the foundation for your bike handlebar grip. Create a new sketch on the short end of your bike handlebar grip. Create a circle with the same diameter as your bike handlebar grip. And create a second circle that is slightly bigger. Press Fusion 360 keyboard shortcut E and extrude the area between the circle. It is very important that you change operation away from join. I'll go with new body in this tutorial and keep this part within the same component. Measure the remaining distance to the other end of your bike handlebar grip. Press keyboard shortcut M to activate Move and Copy and create a new copy at the same distance you just measured. Don't look for the middle vein. Use a midplane construction plane. Create a new sketch and create a circle with the same diameter as your bike handlebar grip. Use a set and create a slightly bigger circle. Finish your sketch and take a look at your design. You have the opportunity to create symmetrical extrude directions in Fusion 360. Set your symmetrical extrude distance. Explore different distances and pick one you like. Make sure that you change operation away from join. You want to be able to manage this part as a separate entity and not as a part of your bike handlebar grip. Use measure to find the distance between your middle part and the parts on your end. This is also an opportunity to control measure your symmetrical extrude. Position yourself with the view cube and use Fusion 360 design shortcuts to create a rectangular pattern. Select your object, your axis, set distribution to extend and change direction to symmetric. Add your measured distance and increase the quantity. Make sure that you choose an uneven number so you have the same distribution on both sides. Create a new sketch on any side and press keyboard shortcut C to activate the circle command. Press keyboard shortcut E to activate the extrude command. Change extend type from distance to object and pick your other end as object. Hold down Shift and press down your mouse wheel to orbit around your design. Activate Appearance with keyboard shortcut A. Select multiple bodies in the browser and drag and drop your appearance for selected parts in one move. Search for another appearance for the handlebar grip. When you select two bodies and hold Shift, all the bodies in between are selected as well. No worries if you mess up, you can always fix things. Right-click on your selected Fusion 360 appearance and choose Edit to fine-tune your color settings. Press keyboard shortcut Escape to close down the appearance menu. Finish your design with a color for the middle part. You can use the timeline to go back in time and edit your solids. With Sketch turned off, you won't see the corresponding sketches when you press the timeline. Turn Sketch visibility on, and you will see the relevant sketch when you press the sketch icon in the timeline. Select Edit Sketch from the timeline. You can use Offset to increase your diameter. And just select your previous boundary and delete it. When you finish your sketch, you see that later actions in the timeline, in this case Extrude, is updated based on your updated sketch. Use direct modeling to give your design a final touch. A soft finish where you have your hands is appropriate in this case. Fillet, keyboard shortcut F, is a great option for this. Use the View cube while you are in the Fillet commando to find your needs for that final touch. Bravo! You have 3 tasks left. Hit subscribe so I can keep producing. Drop a comment and watch this playlist to learn more. Thank you.